All right, Vince, you're going to make a little bit of a prediction here. So pre-sale, what are we looking at?
It's an apothecary cabinet.
Okay.
Yeah, I always go for these sort of things. I personally love them.
Okay.
I mean, obviously it's had the handles replaced.
Yeah.
And it's a bit rough here and there, but it's a nice little thing, and I think it's going to fetch way more than its estimate.
What is the estimate?
60 to 80.
60 to 80.
Yeah.
You see, I don't really get it because it doesn't do a great deal for me.
No, I know. I love things that got drawers in them. Leslie does as well.
Yeah, but the thing is, I mean, furniture's really very low.
Yeah, it's
very low.
Absolutely on its knees.
But yeah, you see, I don't really. I mean, what do you think at home? I mean, my viewers are all over the world, so I would like to know what they would do with this thing. I mean, originally it must have been made for a shop, I suppose.
Yeah, I think it was part of another unit, to be honest with you.
Oh yeah, probably was. Yeah.
It might even have been in the post office.
Oh, I see. Okay.
An awful lot of these things came out of very sort of commercial premises.
Right.
And they were built in by proper tradesmen. Somebody took the shop on and said, I want a complete cabinet. And they built a whole cabinet on the wall.
Of course.
And I think a lot of these things come out, they get taken out as time goes on.
Well, you know, so you've obviously had a little bit of interest in it.
Yeah, there's been a bit of interest in it, but I like these sort of things. If you look closely at the back, you'll see there's a few little, where it's been taken out.
Let's have a look.
Just round the back there.
No, yeah.
Where it's been taken out.
It doesn't. I love furniture. Furniture is my first love.
I know, yeah. It's on its knees at the moment. It's ridiculous because you could buy a nice new house, 5-bedroom house, and kit it out for £1,000.
You could. You know what?
Easily,
top to bottom.
Yeah, completely.
Top to bottom.
All with antique furniture.
Yeah, I know.
Because it's just ridiculously cheap at the moment.
Bonkers. Okay, 60 to 80.
Yeah.
It doesn't fill me with joy. I've got to be honest. Let me know what you think at home. Let's see how much it makes.
Yeah, it'd be great.
140 bid in the room. 150. 150, 160 now. I've got 150, 150. On the internet, the bid to 150, last call. 155, he says. Yeah, 155. Make it 160. 155, 160. Do it again? No, £160. Internet bid, lost you in the room, last chance. 160, 3013, 160. 3013. Okay.